Imagine what happens when 100 users send massive AI prompts at the exact same second. Within seconds, thousands of requests flood the pipeline, causing the upstream LLM provider to freeze and completely crash. Then suddenly, load spiked. Server health became critical and emergency alarms started popping. Why did this happen? Because the system was relying on traditional rate limiting that only counts HTTP requests. Traditional rate limiting protects web servers from traffic floods by counting incoming HTTP request hits. Architectures commonly use 4 algorithms: token bucket, leaking bucket, fixed window, and sliding window log. Here is how a traditional rate limiter works in code. It increments a request hit counter for every incoming HTTP connection. Here is where it fails. 10 small requests pass easily, but 1032K context prompts pass too, exploding token volume and crashing your servers. To overcome this and save your servers and company, introduce token-based rate limiting alongside traditional RPM in a dual-layer gateway. Here is the token rate limiter code. It estimates payload tokens with tick token and rejects requests if the active Redis window breaches quota. Comparing both, traditional RPM protects CPU hit counts, while token TPM enforces strict cost boundaries and GPU memory safety. For streaming responses, reserve estimated tokens upfront, stream the completion, and refund and use tokens when the stream ends. In production, deploy RPM at Layer 1 for DDoS defense, TPM at Layer 2 for budget safety, and reconcile actual tokens after streaming.